says minus 5, and other degrees, other areas is way more than that. So this is the cold, and we're shooting a video to show Magnum PT-100 on a 12-volt portable generator. Look at the snow. We have all snow cover the roof. You see, and the panels are just sitting there. And we are still making power when it comes to cold and glare of the sun, the snow, plus a little bit of light. Let me take you inside and show you what the Magnum is doing, and connect it to my portable generator that you guys can see with the SLA solid acid battery. And let me take you outside and show you what's happening here in Minnesota. Cold, minus 5 degrees at my area here, my location. Stay tuned. Let me show you. I'll take you now and see what with that kind of snow and covered is like bringing on amps. This is the voltage coming off from the PV, and saying this battery, I was trickle charging them. This battery's here. You guys have seen this a lot, and I made a lot of videos. It's a messy box. It's a big PVC box, which I was working on doing different projects, but I don't wanna do anything that is wrong to mess up this box, because it costs about almost $100 for this big box here. So I decided to connect this thing. Since the 12 volts is gonna bring anyway power back on the system. So this is what it is. And guys, is I just got a system here hooked up to those batteries. They were like 12.7 earlier, and as soon as I was trying to set up the live stream, putting everything together, excuse me, and now it's sitting at 13 point something volts, which is 14.4 is the specifications on those batteries. So it says it's getting on float. So we are now getting there, and we're charging these batteries just to mess around with the snow. You see, if you haven't seen the video, go back and rewind, and that's like look at 0.7 amps, and this is what it's bringing. So right now it's just trickle charging without any load on it. That would have been um, the best deal. So you can take a Magnum, even if you don't have the Magnum component, you can still use a Magnum PT-100 to any um, setup, then you're gonna be fine. So now you went to the kind of sleep spa saving mode. You can push this back, you can wake it up. We don't have any loads on that, and it'll be nice if I can able to pause this video and get into the 12 volt inverter here, and trying to hook it up and see what we can able to pull from these batteries here. So just want you to bear with me and see what I can able to do with this configuration, so we can do a quick test. This is the thing, you gotta do some different experiment when it comes to solar. So let's see what I can able to do here with one hand. I'll set this thing right here and trying to see if I can able to use my little charge, my little inverter, which is the Duracell. Okay, so let's see if we can able to put the Duracell to work. Okay, I hope it's gonna stay right there, and we're probably gonna turn a TV, my 70 inches, 75, 70 inches TV, and see what we can able to draw from these. I hope you find this video interesting, and I'm gonna make sure I turn the volume down because I don't want to be flagged. Okay, now get a 12-volt hook up there, and let's power up the TV. Watch the meter. So let's see. All right, now we have the TV on, and I want to see if I can able to. Thanks for the thumbs up. I want to see if I can able to simulate something here. Maybe I can able to drag a 4K video by using Netflix, and I don't know if this not gonna prevent me from losing the live stream. Okay, I'm still in. So let's see what we're gonna do with this PT-100. What is gonna show us right here at the JW Solar USA. So if you see, I um, think we can able to initialize if this one goes back, the float mode goes, and that'll be cool because I think I lost. No, oh no, okay, it's getting a little bit cloudy. It's cloudy though the lights, but the ambient changed because you can see there's supposed to be a blue light here that's supposed to come in. But let's see what we can do. I'm trying to see if I can able to bring Netflix on. Excuse me. It's cold here. The Duracell, little Duracell, is doing its job here, and you guys have seen this on my previous videos, and which I'm really proud of this little guy. I'm trying to set it up in a way that it's not gonna fall, and I can show you the Duracell. If you haven't seen the Duracell inverter, yeah, it's gonna be right here. JW Solar USA. Yes, thanks for sticking around. There's a Duracell there. That's a 400 watt and it's powering a 4K television, 70 inches. So let's come back here and try to initialize the Netflix and see the battery dropped. Okay, Netflix is up, and let's see if we can able to find a 4K movie and see what power we're gonna drag into that. What movie we're gonna watch now? Let's see which one. I need a 4K movie. What about the bank job with Jason Statham? Let's see if it's a 4. No, it's just a HD. It's not a 4K. Let's see. Okay, this is a high definition resolution by Tiffany Haddish with a stand-up comedy, and let's see what we can pull from there. Um, is a HD resolution. All right. Let's see here. You can do anything with the Magnum. It doesn't mean you have to have all the components. And it's getting darker again. I wish this blue lights can just come on. And I don't want to push this reset button. Then, oh, if I push, since those batteries are, let's just mess around a little bit. To equalize, you push both buttons here. Okay, now it takes us back to bulk to absorb. So those batteries are lead acid. We don't have to do that, but it's just for the sake of it so that we can get power. I know that we don't have much power outside, so I initialize the the equalization. That's how you do it. You push both buttons right here simultaneously, then it's gonna stop and press it both of them again. It's gonna initialize that. So that's what it's doing. So like and subscribe, just give a thumbs up if you like the video, because now the video is playing on Netflix but we lost the ambient change outside the way it should be. But this is how it's supposed to be. Let me look for a really 4K movie here, which I don't know which one we're gonna look for right now because I have you guys online and I don't want to hold you too long. What about this series here? Let's see. Ah, let's see. No, this is not a 4K. Which one? Which one? Which one? Um, let's see. Netflix series here, and maybe I can able to. Oh, the Bridgerton, Bridgrt, the Bridgerton series. That's a even though it's not 4K, but and this is the top Netflix movie right now. So series. So Bridgerton it's called. So it's a British series. So about royalty. Okay, and see how it's going. We can see if we can able to pull some power into this puppy. Well, anyway, well, guys, this is what it is. Thanks for stopping by. But we lost the because I initialized like the equalizing mode so that I can just get some kind of juice to come on. But we lost the ambient outside, but I can still show you outside. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is what it is. A lot of snow, and check this out. See the snow on top of that building right there, house. Okay, this is the snow all over. All right, you see my free-to-air satellites, snow. So this is what I'm dealing with right now here in Minnesota. It's cold. So it's -5 degrees my location, and we think we can able to do something. Panels are covered, but on a 12-volt system, the voltage is higher. The panels can see able to see a little bit through that snow, and let's take back the equalizing mode off. But since float, but we can still able to see through with a 12-volt system. This is the power of a 12-volt system. You have the voltage higher, and you can able to get a lot of conversion while getting you into the game, charging your batteries, even though the snow has already covered your panels. So for a 24-volt, 48-volt system, good luck to you. It's not that easy because you have to try to match the battery's voltage before you're gonna have something. On a 12-volt, the voltage is higher. You can see the open circuit that was coming from the PV. Look at, we're putting about 3.2 amps. That was like, I think it's 80 something, 88. That's what the PV will connected or wired to. So, but we still bring a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So initialize again the equalizing and see how much we can do. Well, these are the little batteries, seen them before. It's just to mess around, and I'm using a Duracell 400 watt high power inverter. This is what it is. Just a little guy. It has a USB charging port. It has a fan controlled by thermal heat or temperature, and the fan kicks in with a 70 inches um, high def or ultra high definition TV. We still this fan don't even turn on. That's the efficiency. When you have a very efficient, very good equipment, they can able to do things. So I'm just trying to do this and show you guys how everything is going. This is the second PT-100 I have on the other one is on the board at the command center. So this is what it is. So we're testing it is working. Thanks for watching. If you're just joining in, like and subscribe. Replay the video. A lot of snow in Minnesota. Is cold, almost -5 degrees my area, while other people have more than that. But I just want to show you what I can able to play around charging my little portable generator, my test batteries here, sitting there for so long with no power coming from the panels for even a 24 volts. The panels are covered and it's cold. But the ambient, because the snow is bright, the skies are kind of a little bit, they're hazy kind of bright, but you can see we still bring in power about 3 amps, 3.4 amps. And there you go. And we making some little power charging up these batteries right here. Live at the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Always stay tuned, and I'm gonna be bringing you different experiments. What I'm thinking around here, whatever I think is the best thing to do, and I'll bring it up for you guys to see. Well, you can't do anything. Don't want to go outside and get, caught up with maybe your car stall, maybe it doesn't start, or something happen. You're gonna be in so much suffering out there because you're gonna be worried about hypothermia. No, you can't stay. They said on TV, you can't stay outside with your empty skin for more than 10 minutes. You're gonna start having some problem with your skin. This is how cold it is. This is the first cold since COVID came, but we are still. This is the first experience since we kind of have a milder winter this year, but this is the first one, and tomorrow is Super Bowl, and it's gonna be something else, guys. I know it's gonna be cool. I feel for them guys, those players. They are tough guys, but they gotta do what they gotta do. That's their job. So, guys, watching the game tomorrow, whatever, you know, stay indoors and enjoy yourself. This is all we have to do right now. Like and subscribe. Hooking up a 12 volt PT-100 Magnum PT-100 power track performance on a 12 volt sealed acid batteries to charge on a very cloudy day, covered with snow, no sun, -5 degrees, and we are still doing something here just to mess around so that JW Solar will have something to do, or else it's not going to be easy. Like and subscribe. Love you guys all. Bye for now.